October 31 is World Savings Day. It is wise to consider the future and make a financial plan. World Savings Day is to make plans by saving a few dollars regularly. In 1934, representatives of 29 countries met in Milan, Italy, and established the World Savings Day. This day was born of the impact of the Great Depression on the global economy. Its purpose is to restore people's confidence in saving, arouse public awareness, and ensure a higher standard of living. This is our oil pastel painting and its painting time lapse for this special day. Have a great day.